Fritz Smith. I'm with the Auburn Fire Department. Today we're going to discuss why it's important to have a first aid kit at home. So remember, before even using your first aid kit, just make sure to dial 911 first if it's a true medical emergency. This way here, you don't get too involved and forget to call extra help. Very important to have a first aid kit at home for minor scrapes, cuts, punctures, burns, anything like that. Even you can put Tylenol in these things as well. Probably anywhere where you're going to know where to get it. Most likely it's going to be under the kitchen sink or under the bathroom sink. You're going to want to make sure that those are secured though, so children can't get in there and start playing with it or messing around with other chemicals that may be under there. Another good thing to do is if you have babysitters or anybody that watches the kids, make sure that they know where the first aid kit is as well. And you can also add like a phone number list for emergency contacts right on the case.
If you live in the towns of Mensa Montezuma or the city of Auburn, you can call the Healthy Neighborhoods program for a free home safety check, and we can get you started on your first aid kit at home.